Good morning, all you crazy people. Just want to come out here and give the chickens some food scraps and get my little white hen back in the coop. Look at her. She's the leader. And she thinks she owns the place. She's the only one that is allowed out, she thinks. All the other ones have to stay in here. Now, if you want some scraps, you're going to have to come in here. Here, come on. Go in there. Get your scraps. Yeah, she wants to be the white elitist, eating all my food scraps. We're out here today because we wanted to see if I had any storm damage. I had to work till about 2 a.m. Got home about 3. And about 3:45 we had a storm hit the North Valley of Phoenix and Glendale and Peoria. And it hit pretty hard for about an hour and a half. 3 big waves of heavy rain. And the water was just insane coming off my roof. Pond filled up. It's dirty again, can't see the bottom anymore, so it's got to filter out. I was supposed to go out here and start building my waterfall, but now it's just mud. I can't do any work over there today. The rain we've had this past month is insane. I've recorded over 6 inches of rain here in our area on our rain gauge. I noticed my plumeria over here got some hail damage. There's a bunch of leaves that got knocked off. Other leaves that are tore up from the hail. That's one of the things. They got some tender leaves and they're also pretty large. Another one I wanted to check is the papaya. And there's the papaya. It looks like the mango got some damage too on the leaves. All these new leaves. Got a little bit of shredding, especially on top. Papayas always get shredded when there's hailstorms. Look at all those top leaves. They all got holes in them. I'm starting to see some papaya. I don't know if you can see it through there. There's a papaya hanging right there. Probably I see a couple more way in the back. They branched off after I cut it. Mulberry has some holes in the leaves. Leaves grow back. I'm not worried about the leaves. Man, all the sugar cane fell down. It was shading my wall. And I gotta start harvesting all that because it was already getting pretty tall. Well, I lost my shade. 2 inches of rain this morning. It was insane. Let's see what we got in the front. Yeah, the sweet almond bush is still against the wall. Usually a lot of wind and rainstorms, they'll blow down, but I've been trying to keep it as trim as possible, but it's been growing a lot. Bananas are protected by the moringa. They're fine. Zucchini full of holes. Everything's getting lots of rain, so it's getting greened up. I gotta trim this palm tree. Well, it looks like that's about all we had as far as some damage. Actually, the only thing that we have is benefit from all the rain. I'm shutting off my front sprinkler system today. But it's gonna start drying out here after tomorrow. So we should be out of the woods in the heavy rain for a while. Start drying out. Everything's gonna be exploding. Everybody else's yard is gonna be full of weeds. Mine won't. Looks like the Royal Ponciana lost a lot of leaves on the ground. When I was leaving work yesterday from that first storm at the airport, winds were so high that there was a bunch of tree branches underneath the parking structure, and there was a dead bird in there. It was pretty crazy. It was like a hurricane at the airport. But that's Mother Nature. Have a nice day, guys.